How do you do completely hands-off affiliate marketing using AI to make videos so that you're never, ever, ever anywhere on video, and you actually work on your business instead of in your business, not like these clowns dancing around on TikTok and Instagram, where instead of doing all that stuff, you're using paid advertising to go ahead and make $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10 for every single dollar you spend. So that's what I do. It's the easiest, fastest, simplest way to do affiliate marketing. A lot of the other gurus out there are just teaching you super complicated BS. And I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to make a video in less than 5 minutes. You're gonna use this video to run ads with it. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. We get right into it here. And if you're a beginning affiliate marketer, and if you're just kind of scratching the surface, God forbid you bought Legendary Marketer $7 caca. If you're one of those people and you're probably feeling lost, frustrated, confused, overwhelmed because there's so much information out there, that's true. I'm going to be honest with you, there's a million ways to do this stuff. The problem is a lot of people, I'm starting to hear rumblings, a lot of people don't like the traditional way where they buy a course. First of all, they have to sell the course. And second of all, you're putting your face all over social media, humiliating yourself, pointing to a bunch of dancing money signs and weird stuff. It's giving the vibes of, pyramid scheme, and I dare I say things like that. I don't want to put anybody under the bus, but it feels icky, right? And if you're one of those people, I used to be one of those people. I used to be an affiliate for programs like that, and it was super awkward and weird, especially when family and people like that would see me. They're like, oh, aren't you promoting like some pyramid scheme? It felt really off. So instead, I started diving into doing paid advertising so that I'm never on camera. I started really learning how to do that, and I started learning how to promote anything under the sun, health and relationships. I know a lot of the courses out there tell you that you can do that, but they never actually give you the tools to do it, right? Instead, they just tell you how to sell the course. And I got really frustrated with that whole world, that whole system. So I started learning how to actually do real affiliate marketing. And I'm here to tell you, not only is it super effective, you never have to be on camera, you never have to do any of the embarrassing dancing around stuff, but also it's much more lucrative. It makes a lot more money because once you dial it in, and again, you spend the dollar, you make 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 back. That's all you need to do. I check my business maybe once a week and enjoy the rest of my life. That's the right way to do it, and so do our clients at the Affiliate Franchise. But I'm going to walk you through in this video step by step how to make a video where you're not on it using AI, and you can use this video to run ads for any product that you want. Okay, let's get into it. All right, first things first, and you can see in here, I went into clickbank.com. If you're new, you probably have heard of this already. It's a big elephant in the room. A lot of people start off with ClickBank. Here's the big pros and cons of ClickBank. Pros is that it's very beginner friendly. You do not need to have experience to sign up for ClickBank. Go through the marketplace right here, pick a product, and just start promoting it. Literally anybody can do it. There's very, very, very rare occasions where they ever deny anybody the ability to promote stuff. There are thousands of affiliate networks out there. But ClickBank, Digistore24 are the only ones that I can think of that are completely beginner friendly, meaning no website, no proof of you've done this before, you have income already and all that stuff. They don't ask you any questions. You just sign up and pick something. So in this case, I'll sign up and I'll pick something. In this case, I'll scroll down here and I see that Sugar Defender here has a gravity score of 440. You don't need to know exactly what that is. You just need to know the higher the gravity score, the better it's selling, the better it's doing, okay? That's just a general rule of thumb, okay? Now, I'm going to pick Sugar Defender because I'm just going to pick a product at random. I'm going to look at the sales page here. I'm going to see what it looks like. Okay, great. Next, I'm going to click promote. I'm going to grab my affiliate link right down here. Create hop link, boom, I copy this, and now I have my affiliate link. There it is, okay? Now, what do I do next? Well, first of all, I want to talk to you about, I was dead serious when I said this is much more lucrative. You see so many people on social media, and they're all like, oh, I made 1,000 this week, and they're dancing around, and they're doing it the hard way. It's absolutely ridiculous, okay? So when I discovered the secret society of affiliate marketers, really that's what it is, who are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, some of them making $1 million a month. That's like the top 1%. They're quiet. you'll never see them anywhere. You'll never see them flashing results. In fact, a lot of them don't sell courses. They don't want to reveal their secrets. Some of them are close friends of mine. And it's like, wow, right? There's this secret underground where it's like, these are real affiliate marketers. And the last thing that they want to do is tell you all of their secrets, because then they'll be creating their own competition. They're making a lot of money doing real affiliate marketing. So this is a tool that I use to spy on other advertisers out there. It's called Spy Hero, okay? This is a tool that I use. If I can get an affiliate link, it'll be down below if you want to try it out. There's a free trial with it. But this allows you to see what other affiliate marketers are promoting out there, what their ads look like, what their pages look like, how much they're spending. That's a big thing. I want to point to this guy or this gal or whoever it is. We don't even know who it is. It could just be some random person, okay? Somebody hiding behind the camera somewhere. If we click here and we look at the amount spent on this ad, $92,300. Now, riddle me this. Why would you spend that much money on an ad unless it was making you a ton of money? This is very clearly and very obviously an affiliate marketer who was able to spend $1, make 2, 3, 4, 5 back, and just keep reinvesting. And now he's off on a beach somewhere, or she's off on a beach somewhere. We have no idea who they are, and they do not sell a course. Okay, so that now we can spy on them, and we can take a look and see what they're doing. We can watch their ad on here. We can actually go to their landing page right here. We can see what it looks like. It looks kind of like this. Okay, great. We know if we click here, we're going to go to their affiliate link. There it is, their Sugar Defender. They are legitimately promoting this and selling this using advertising. That was YouTube ads right there that we just selected. And we found somebody who's spending almost $100,000, okay, since February. And right now, at the time of this recording, it's the middle of April. In all that time, they've spent almost $100,000. So in that time, guaranteed they've made well into six figures in just a few months, 3 months. You will never be able to do that dancing around on TikTok and Instagram and all that garbage. It's just, it's man versus machine. It's just logical, right? Period, point blank. You'll never be able to do that because you're using manual, actual labor. You are making videos. You're posting them all over the internet. You're trying to get traction. You're trying to do the know, like, and trust and all that. Meanwhile, the secret society of affiliate marketers, like the ones we have in the affiliate franchise, you'll almost never see their faces, okay? We are running paid ads, okay? Other than me and maybe 1 or 2 other clients that we have, we don't really like to show our face, okay? We don't do that stuff. So that's what people are doing who are making serious money with affiliate marketing, okay? All that other stuff is just, it's cute to me. I look at that stuff and I'm like, that's adorable. I mean, you're doing like 5K a week. That's great. You know, so not to poo-poo on anybody's dreams or anything, but it's so much work for nothing. So what I would do, okay, this is how we're going to make the video, make the ad, and do something very similar to what this person did to actually scale up and make a ton of money, okay? We don't need to reinvent the wheel. We have some examples that they're already doing. We have a landing page that they have here that they've created for their ads, and we have the product. We have Sugar Defender in this case, whatever product it is. You're going to take some time and you're going to study this product, okay? Go through this page, watch this video, do everything you can, take some notes. I have a notepad right here where all I do is take notes on all of the different products and things that I promote through advertising, okay? And then we're going to come on over to a site that I'll leave in the link. Again, a link down below this video. This site is called Visla. I think I'm saying that right, Visla. But what it basically does is it takes a script that you put into here and it creates a video automatically. That means B-rolls and cuts and edits and voiceovers and all that good stuff. Okay, so literally in just a few seconds, it'll create a video. Let's put the script in here. Okay, here's the script. And actually, it's going to be text. Okay, we've got the text here. We're going to generate video. And does it do a great job? It does an okay job, but it gets the job done. It's all we really need right now. All right. So it's taking some time to generate the video. And at this point, you sit down, or not you sit down, but you go in the kitchen, you go get yourself some coffee. You think about how, wow, there's a lot of people out there right now who are struggling for, you know, making their jobs work and making ends meet and all that stuff. And I feel for them. And it really sucks, but you can share this information with friends, with family. and get them out of that situation. You're like, what are you doing? You know, you can just promote other people's stuff, run some ads, make a bunch of money. It's so much easier, okay? So much easier. That being said, it is so much easier, but it's not easy, okay? I always want to be very, very clear. There's still some skills you want to learn with this, okay? And you want to get really good at it. We can help you inside the affiliate franchise. Now, here we go. If I click play right here, okay, we have to
Sugar Defender.
look at
A
that.
revolutionary solution for managing your blood sugar.
Amazing. So if we skip along, we can see it does some B-roll, does some voiceover. There's some, you can see Visla, like watermark stuff in the beginning. But if you have some like very simple CapCut or some other free type of editor, you can just download this and cut that out. Easy peasy, okay? And once you upload that, that's it. You can start using that to run Facebook ads, to run YouTube ads. You can actually create multiple versions of that video. Tell it to create multiple versions so you can split test and see which one works with your ads the best. This stuff is not rocket science, okay? ChatGPT, AI, and everything else has sped all of this stuff up to where you are a complete beginner. You don't have to be dancing around all over the place and try to grind it out like I did for years and years. Instead, you can sit back. I check on my business maybe an hour a week. As long as it's profitable, it's bringing me 10, 20, 30K a month. I'm good. I don't need to be this guy who's scaling to the moon right now. Kudos to him. That's awesome. But really, I just look for a comfortable life, some clients that I work with, private inner circle inside the affiliate franchise. You can actually copy me, look over my shoulder. I love affiliate marketing. The less work I do, the better. I'm very lazy, and I'm very proud to say that I'm lazy. I want you to be lazy too. Click the link down below if you want to book a call and talk to us at the affiliate franchise. We'll walk you through all this setup. We actually set up your pages, show you how to find the products, all that good stuff. It's really, really awesome. I'm the infamous Joel. Watch the rest of the videos on this channel, and I'm out.